Hi, my name is Sam Toerne. I am from Danvers, Massachusetts. I'm a senior in energy systems engineering, and this year I'm the regimental academic operations officer. Last summer, I worked at LC Anderson as a assistant project manager. That was actually a repeat co-op. I did that the previous summer, but this summer I worked underneath the project managers and salesmen. Did a lot of commercial HVAC work, kind of assisted the PMs and salesmen with inside services like putting in reports and scheduling work. I got to go on a lot of job sites and see a lot of different equipment and understand how different HVAC systems relate to different systems within a building. Last winter, I had the chance to work at Amgen Pharmaceuticals down in Rhode Island. It's a big multinational pharmaceutical company in Rhode Island. They have a production plant. There I worked in their F&E group where I did a lot of planned maintenance. Actually got to help out a lot with a planned outage, maintenance outage they were working on. So I got to look over a lot of drawings, kind of set aside time for when equipment would be maintained. In my regular day-to-day operations there, I would do rounds in the morning, particularly in the boiler room and the chiller room, look over the equipment, look at temperatures, gauges, do boiler chemistry, make sure everything was in its proper order. And then throughout the day, I got to work on different pieces of equipment that came up that may needed work on them or changing out filters and air handlers and a bunch of different odds and ends all around the site and got to see a lot of cool equipment. Regimental experiences have pushed me out of my comfort zone. I've been able to kind of get more involved, get into more activities on campus. I'm part of a few clubs. I'm actually the president of an engineering club on campus. We get to go out and visit a lot of different companies and see a bunch of different things related to engineering and a lot of networking opportunities. Advice I have for incoming students would be getting involved as much as you can, whether that's in the regiment, sports, academics, clubs. Take advantage of your time here. You're only here for a short amount of time. So, kind of getting into all those different activities as much as you can expands your horizon. You meet a lot of new people. A lot of the people I've met here are some of the best friends I've ever made in my life. So stepping out, meeting new people, and getting those opportunities and something that you don't think you would have done is incredibly important.